Okay, so I mean, there's a lot left to kind of make this thing sound complete as far as effects go. With as far as impacts and risers and all that, that really is a good chunk of the glue that holds a track together. Is all that little nuance when you hear everything in the background working together to build up the track. But the first section of it here is, it's coming together. The idea is solid, I'm pretty sure. Let's take a listen again. Okay, cool. That works really well, actually. So now, a simple thing to do is just, let's go ahead and get rid of all these little sections right there. We're just going to basically copy the structure over, and then we're going to edit the second part to be different. But as far as where everything goes, the content of what it's going to be is going to be different, but the placement of it is going to be pretty much the same. So let's basically just highlight, make a loop region right here. Right click, duplicate time. Make sure that the lock is off too, because you want to also copy any automation that's going on here. If you have this lock on, it'll copy over without the automation. So make sure that this lock is off. Duplicate time. Okay, so you can get the idea. This is what the structure is going to look like for the final thing, basically. I mean, it's kind of hard to see with all these little... Let's see if we can just expand it a little bit here. So, once you have the actual structure of the track laid out, this is a critical part of the track, because once I see this visually, once I see the full length written out, and I know that the skeleton is there, it becomes a lot easier to finish the track for me at this stage, because the skeleton's there. It's not as overwhelming. There's not just a blank canvas. You have no idea where to put what, where, and everything. You have the ideas in front of you, and now you could kind of just go over the idea and start polishing little sections and handle it by section. And a lot of producers, especially when you're starting out, they get overwhelmed to get to this point. To how do I make my little 8-bar loop a full track and an idea? This is kind of how you just kind of expand it and, start moving around. If say you have 10 elements to a loop, start moving around elements 1 through 4 into the first, 30 seconds, and then 4 through 8, the next 30. That's basically what it is. It's just a puzzle piece. You just kind of move around pieces until you get something that works. But yeah, we got the full structure laid out now.